TEAMMANNIAC, and I'm John Russell Manuel Diego, their leader. And this is
I'm Ivan Esteban.
I'm Mark Jan Gracias, and we are the Team
TEAMMANNIAC.
Mania.
We have to remove our accessories like this watch because this watch is a good conductor of electricity. So we have to remove this.
We have many ports, the motherboard, like 24 pin, and we will remove this. And we have a hard drive. Remove this for the disassembly. And we have a USB port, reset port, power port for the LCL, etc. And the audio port. This is the audio port. And this is the port of power supply unit. And this is the port of the fan. And I will remove this. And I will unscrew this motherboard. First screw, the second screw, and the third screw. We have 3 screw only. This the motherboard. And before we pull out this motherboard, you will handle the pan, and we will set aside at the table. And I will remove the port of the pan, and I will remove the lock of this pan. And this is a pan. And the lock of the CPU, I will unlock this, and this is it. This is the CPU of the motherboard. You see?
Disassemble the system unit. Now we have to assemble it. First, we have to put the CPU in here. We have to find this triangle. And now put it there. And close it. And now, pick up the pan and put it there. You have to lock the pan so it's safe. And put this in here, in the plug of the pan. And now, we have to put the motherboard in the system unit. You have to make the system unit in the butas, in the hole of the screw.
Input-output devices.
Pwede naman yan. Ikat eh. Yung butas. And now, we have to screw the motherboard. Now we have to put the ports in their have and now we have to put the port in their proper place. First, we have to put the 24 pin in here. You have to make sure that it's okay na because it's so hard to pull. You have to test it if it's okay if it's okay. Next, we have to put the power supply in here. And then the hard disk drive. You have to put it here. And now we will put the port of the USB audio and the now we are putting the USB in here. The audio in this audio, we have to put it here. And the reset switch is over here. We have to put it here. And the last one, the power switch. It's behind the back of the power reset switch. And that's how to assemble a system unit.
This is TEAMMANNIAC!